Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Cydia alternative using the HTML programming language. HTML is the simplest language, so basically you can use this to create your website or anything. So in this video right here, it's going to be a multiple part series. So in this part right now, I'm going to be showing you the basics and how to start it off and save it. So you can do this on Mac, Windows, Linux, any jailbroken device like iPhone, iPad, and iPod using iFile. So let's get started here. You can a lot of devices and things come installed with like text editors. So right now I'm gonna TextEdit is the one it comes with, but I installed TextMate because it's a lot easier to write HTML files on. It's made for it. So yeah, so I'm going to be using TextMate. We're also at the end of the series we're going to be using Xcode, or you can use a configuration profile. I'm just going to use Xcode because it's 10 times easier for me. Anyways, if you leave a like and comment down below if you want me to show you how to set it up on your jailbroken device, if you want that. But you can follow along, and if you're good with iFile, you'll probably understand how to make it. So, let's get started. So first, we're going to start off by making a folder. And you can call this whatever you want. I'm going to call it My Cydia Alternative. Save it. And so basically all of our files is going to go into this. So we're going to open it up, show you that it's blank. Yeah, nothing's in here. And so we can open up our text editor. And I'm using TextMate. It'll open up like this, untitled, nothing in it. And so I'm just going to show you the basics today. The basics of everything, the HTML, everything in here is going to be in this code. So you're going to do open bracket, HTML, or actually we're going to start with open bracket. You don't have to do this, but I prefer to. It seems like it makes it easier. So you're going to do exclamation mark, doctype, space HTML, and then closing bracket. And you're going to go down one line. You do opening bracket, HTML, closing bracket. And below this, you're going to do opening bracket head. And then below this, I'm going to do slash head. And I'll explain this all in a minute. And then, so for everything you open, you're going to have to close. So like the head, you open it with just the head, and you close it with the slash. So basically, we're going to go down another line, and we're going to do body. This is where all your code is going to go into. So I'm going to go down like a couple lines here. OCD problems. Let's go 15. So I'm down 10 lines. That should be a decent amount of space you need. And then you're going to close it with a slash, and then you're going to close HTML with a slash. You don't need to close doctype HTML. I don't understand why that's there, but a lot of people do that, and so I'm just going to follow it. I'm not sure what it's really there for. I'm just going to say this now. I'm not an expert at web developing, like HTML, CSS, and Java. I could do a CSS series. I know a bit about CSS, but it's a lot more complicated than HTML. So yeah, so this is basically the basic code. I'll put all this in the description so you can just copy it instead of having to write it. Writing it makes you perfect on it. So I suggest you write it, but you can always copy it. It'll be in the description again. So basically we're going to go to File and Save As. And we're going to select this all, and we're going to do index.html. So you have to do for every home page or your first document of HTML, you have to do index.html. Then after that, you can call it whatever you want, .html. And we're just going to save this on our desktop in Unicode. Make sure this is all the same down here. No check. You don't want to check down here. You want it blank. And you want to go click Save. And so it's right here. We can F11 it and put it all to the side. So we can open this right now. And I opened it twice. So basically, there's nothing here. Up here it says index.html because you open that. and it's not on the web yet, so it doesn't have. So it's just file, my username, desktop, index.html. So from there, that's basically the main part of it. That's the basics. Tomorrow I'll go into like paragraphs. I don't know if I'll upload it tomorrow. Maybe later today. Yeah. So basically, this is the basic code for HTML. And so what we're gonna do from here is we're gonna put this right into your Cydia Alternative, and you open it up, and there it is. So basically, all your files are gonna be in here. And so tomorrow I'll go into editing, like making it prettier, basically. And then in the next video I'll probably go on a couple into pages and stuff, more views. And then later on I'll go into the Xcode to make it a web app. So that was all for this video. Thank you guys for liking or watching. Please like this video. By the way, if you want to see how to set it up on like Windows, I can do that. If you want to see how to set it up on a jailbroken device, which is really hard, I had to watch a tutorial on that. It's not that hard, but you need to know your way around iFile a lot. So basically, I can show you that. Just give it a like. I might do that already, but make sure you like it and leave a comment down below. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you show the support and share it around with your friends. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.